Hi everybody, it's Jenny from Missouri Star Quilt Company. Wait, let me do that again. Hello, I'm here in jolly old England, and we've just finished the most marvelous quilt show you can imagine. Actually, we finished the Birmingham Quilt Fest, and we are at our first place on our tour. We are at the Cotswolds, and you can see the lake behind me. It is gorgeous here, absolutely gorgeous. So at the Quilt Festival, I love it. It's probably my favorite quilt festival, or one of them anyway, because it's got so many things, not just quilty things, but yarn and wool and, just all the things. Oh, really lots of fun crafts and things like that. And it's just, I just love it. I love it. Anyway, we did 3 trunk shows and a Q&A, and it was very fun. The trunk shows were sold out and people loved them, and the Q&A went so well. It's just been a really fun time. So I wanted to show you a couple of things. So, if you're watching my posts on Jenny MSQC, then you've seen I've worn these different clothes every day and I've been showing them. Well, I wanted to show you one of the things I made was I made Ron this matching vest right here to match my black dress. See how cute it is? And what he didn't know was that this is on the back. So I put him on him at the show, and he was standing there, and of course everybody thought that was a hoot. They just thought that was really funny. And so Misty made that for me and fixed the back of that vest. Natalie and Misty have also had a great time. They are actually down in London today, and we went 2 different directions. They're gonna play at Liberty of London, and they went to Christopher's Antique Quilt Shop and got to see all the quilts. And they went to Abbey Road. I'm just trying to remember all the things. And so they're having a grand time. I think they have a show tonight, and we are also having a grand time. So one of the things we did today, we went to Blenheim Castle. Let me make sure I'm saying that. Blenheim Palace. This is what it looks like right here. Can you get up and see that? That's the palace. It was beautiful. Oh my gosh, and the grounds were amazing. It was just gorgeous, wonderful. And I have to show you, I wore this shirt today. This is just my denim jean shirt. And look at Cherry did all these flowers for me. Look how beautiful that is. Is that not gorgeous? And I got to wear this today. Actually, I'm going to wear it every day. It's the only little coat I have. The little short, it's just a short coat-ish thing. Anyway, it's gorgeous. And today, this afternoon, with my little tour group, we did a class on Ingrid's embroidery. And so they all had such a grand time. This is such a fun group. We've had a lot of laughing and a lot of fun, and it's just been delightful. So I hope things are going well for you wherever you are. I hope things are going well in Hamilton too. Who knows, right? Because I'm not there, but I'm here in England having a great time. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and we'll see you later. Bye, everybody.